My sweets, California poppy. Oh my gosh. Known for its pain relieving properties. Yes, pain relieving properties. Something you want to have in your home apothecary. All right? I want to say that it's been said if you chew on the leaves, it will help relieve a toothache. It's been known in some traditions to actually use the juice as a wash to relieve headaches. Yes, it supports you in so many ways, guys. It's also been said just to leave the flower petals up under your children's pillow to help them sleep, because it helps to calm nervousness. This California poppy is strong, honey. It is powerful. So what you need to do is get some fresh flowers or some dried flowers, about a cup, and about 2 cups of vinegar. And you can blend it up. And then you scrape all of that goodness and put it into your mason jars. And you can make a California poppy vinegar. You shake it every day. You leave it for about 2 weeks, that I hear, so it can get all of what's necessary out of that California poppy. You shake it every day and then you strain it and you can use it. All right? So you can get yourself a teaspoon to a tablespoon. You guys can just add this to make it as a regular tea. Make your regular tea, add some apple cider vinegar, and you can use it in your bath. Yes, it is powerful, guys. Consider the California poppy. I love you so much. I want you to be well out here. I want you to share these videos out. Like and share. Let people know that this channel is here for your well-being. Herbalism here. Sundays and Mondays, affordable housing.